Hey everyone, James Reeves, TFBTV here at Enforce Tech. Now, I know a lot of Americans out there aren't going to understand this or know this, but I'm here with Erwin, who is actually a huge celebrity in Europe. So it's a great honor. You can see he's a male model and an actor. And he's a wonderful guest that we've featured on TFBTV in the past. We were talking about the DMR last year. This year, we're going in a different direction, and we're talking about a submachine gun, the MAV. Tell me all about the Steyr MAV, please, Erwin.
Well, James, it's very simple. The MAV is a simple submachine gun, a very simple submachine gun based on an AR basis, an AR lower basically. However, this lower is made from synthetic material with metal inserts, so it's extremely lightweight. We're talking about the weight of approximately 2.3 kilos for the entire gun. One of the main features is that this gun will accepts standard Glock magazines. The one I'm showing here is a caliber 40 Smith & Wesson, but that was done for a special deal with the customer. The main product is the MAV9, so in 9x19, and the features are identical. The handling is one-by-one handling of an AR. I think all of you are familiar with it. Central charging handle, bolt release is ambidextrous, magazine release as well.
Let's continue. What else do we have here? Handguard.
Well, we have a handguard that is also made from heat-resistant polycarbonate with an M-lock system, so you can put on whatever you want. We actually recommend, and we will do it for you if you want, to put a forward assist on it, because a forward handguard on it to prevent reaching with your fingers in front of the muscles, which usually hurts.
Oh, yes. Yeah, absolutely.
So
we call that a hand stop in the U.S.
Hand stop, correct.
Yeah.
Also, I think we are the only manufacturer who also provides a forward assist to move the bolt forward in case it should not close. It's shooting from the close bolt position, of course. It's highly accurate.
Tactical folder, yeah.
Folding stock, of course, adjustable in length. There's really not too much more to say to this submachine gun. Highly accurate, absolutely reliable. Price-wise, no question at all. It's not a Steyr price. It's unbelievable. It will be around 1,500. So this is very decent price. Open sights are standard, but of course, due to the Picatinny rail, you can put any sight on that you want. Usually it will be a red dot or something like that, okay?
Right, and you see, usually if I saw like an AR-9 or like a submachine gun that was AR-based and probably straight blowback, I'm assuming this is a straight blowback.
That's a straight blowback as well.
Right, normally if I'd seen one of these at a show, I would just walk on by, but it's Steyr, so of course, because it's Steyr, I'm going to have to stop by and I'm going to have to ask you all about it, because that's really the big takeaway here. You know, somebody makes an AR-9, no one gives a shit. Steyr makes an AR-9, people want to at least know some features about it. Oh, threaded barrel as well, right?
Threaded barrel, of course, so it's of course standard threads. You can put any silencer on that you want. As a matter of fact, we are also delivering it with a muzzle flash hider that allows the attachment of quick detach silencers as well.
Right, and as I said, if Steyr makes an AR-9, even though I'm not really all that excited about AR-9s, when you guys make one, I'm going to stop and talk to you. But mainly, Erwin, we're here to see you. Thank you so much. As usual, you do a great job with your presentation.
He's a hell of a liar, you know that.
oh, come on. Why would you say that about me? Guys, stay tuned. We're bringing you more from...
And don't forget, it's a Steyr, okay?
Yeah, right. Don't forget. Guys, stay tuned. We're bringing you more from Enforce Tech anyway. Take care.
Bolt release is ambidextrous. Oops, I'm sorry. I'm very, very, very sorry.